Snipe Squad, what is going on, boy? I'm talking about on. Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. Shouts out to all my day one subscribers, man. They said they missed the on. If you missed what's going on, let me know down below in the comment section. I didn't even realize I wasn't doing it as much as I used to, but if y'all miss it, it's nothing to bring it back. That's on dog. What is going on, everybody? Today is Sunday, man. I hope everybody out of church, you're done eating your church's chicken, you're done spending time with the fam, and now you can kick it with your boy Sniper Jones for the day. Now, as you guys know, one of the best series on YouTube, in my opinion, is this story or this series, and that is the Kick Story. This Kick Story was brought to me by you guys, asking me to do something a little creative, and we all actually came up with this idea. So basically, I grab a sneaker out of my collection, tell you the story behind it, and it's kind of a twist other than just, I don't know, showing you my sneaker collection. I'm just doing it in a very, very different way. So as you read in the title, man, today's pickup or today's video is actually the most hype pair of sneakers I have in my collection. Now, I know in sneaker YouTube, I mean, let's be honest, alright? Like, the views come from the most hype sneakers ever. I can come and I can literally have all of these sneakers can be full of nothing but New Balances and nobody would care. I mean, let's just be honest. So the hype sneakers is what you guys love to see, so I'm actually happy I was gonna be able to show you all the hype pair of sneakers that I have. But before we get this video started, I wanted to unbox something, you know what I'm saying? So today, there's actually, you know, you get a few things, man. It's unboxing, and this is from Soul Premise. Once again, Soul Premise is honestly, let me put the box down. Soul Premise is honestly the best, not one of, but it's the best when it comes to actually traveling, having somewhere to store your sneakers safely. If you go look on my Instagram right now, I literally just posted a pic. I've just posted a pic using the Soul Premise book bag. And if you use my promo code Snipe Squad, you get 30% off, bro. Not 10, not 5, not 15, bro, you get 30% off. That is a lot of bread that you will be saving, man. So if you go over there and cop anything, use it, promo code Snipe Squad, get 30% off. But more importantly, man, I'm telling you, check out these bags. They got the huge bags that you would use, like me. Whenever I'm going to sneaker con, I can fit like 4 or 5 pair of shoes, my laptop, my camera. I can fit everything in there. I don't need no other bag. And then of course they got the smaller bags that's more for luxury with the great leather. And I think this bag here is more of a luxury bag. I'm not sure which one it is, but like I said, go over to my IG, check out that photo, and leave a like if you're over there. So without further ado, let's see what's in the box. And you know I got the best unboxing knife on YouTube. Shouts out to you guys because a sub sent me this and it means a lot. You see the sniper bullet with the blade. Let's see what's going on inside this box. This box is pretty big, but I mean, it's a book bag in it, so you know. There we have it, man. There we have it. The box is open. Let's see what's in it. Okay, this is a note. I don't know if this is a note or if it's a receipt. I don't know. Let me drop this real cool. Just a receipt. Just a receipt. Okay, gotcha. Now back to the box. Okay, golly, this is oh yeah, this is definitely a luxury bag. I know exactly which one it is too. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Here we have it. This is the red bag, the luxury bag, just like the brown one I posted a pic of. I'm gonna show y'all the brown one as well. But here we have it, man. The red. Look at this, bruh. If y'all could see like the quality of the leather on this bag, it is crazy. Now, in my SneakerCon Cleveland video, I talked to Anthony, that is the owner of Soul Premise. You can go back and even watch that video. He has the duffel coming out soon. And like I said, bro, luxury at its best. Like, I'm gonna show y'all the brown one. Look at that, man. These are 2 great luxury bags. Like I said, hold like 2 pair of sneakers, still hold your laptop. And like I said, man, the quality is amazing, man. The quality is amazing. Not only is the quality amazing, the price is way better. And if you include that 30% discount, you just really, really win it. Now, back to the topic at hand. I am showing you guys the most hype sneaker in my collection, and I've already did enough talking. So now, let's get to the pair. Here we have it, man. This is the Supreme Jordan 5 Camo. Now look, I did a lace swap, right? The red lace swap was dope to me. They originally came with the black laces, and when you throw these on with a fit, it looks very good. Now I know a lot of y'all thinking, yo, look, Snipe, he's not really going for a lot. Or actually they kind of are. But more importantly, this does not mean this is the most expensive pair of sneakers I have, because it's not. This is the only thing I have that's Supreme, okay? I want to look into the camera when I say this because I don't want to feel like, I don't want y'all to think that like my demographic is changing. YouTube is becoming very successful, and we all know when success comes, people kind of change. I'm here to tell you, man, I'm gonna stay me. I'm gonna stay your boy Jones, you know what I mean? But I mean, let's be completely honest. The reason why I don't have a lot of Supreme and I don't have a lot of Bape or Off-White or all these things is honestly because it's too expensive, bro. Like, I have it, but I'm not gonna pay. It's not to the point where I can spend that and just be comfortable. You know what I'm saying? I've never been a person that spends beyond his means or is terrible with his money. I've always said if there ever becomes a time where buying Supreme and buying Bape is actually feasible and I can buy those types of things because I like it. I love Bape, bro. Like, the hoodies are so dope. I love the Bape camo print. I love a lot of the Supreme North Face collabs, bro. Like, I really like it a lot. And I know it's small things I can get, like keychains here, like dog bowls and just stuff like that, but let's be honest, that would be me being a hype beast because I don't care about that stuff. But it is a lot of Supreme things that I like. I'm just not for the resale. I'm not really on, like, you know what I'm saying? That's just not my thing. But I'm gonna be honest, man, if things change, like say I'm fortunate enough to be able to afford these things, I will be copping them. And I just don't want you guys feeling like I'm switching up because of success or I'm switching up because of anything, because at the end of the day, I've always been me and I've always liked Bape. I've always liked Supreme. I just can't afford it, to be honest. Like, I can't. But I've had this shoe for a very, very long time. I had this shoe for going on like 2 years. I got it like maybe like a month or two after it came out. And as you can see, I wore them a lot when they first dropped. So this, in my opinion, they dropped they dropped 3 pair of 5s. They had a white pair, the black pair, and the camo pair. I am a camo junkie. Anybody who knows me, anybody who knows Snipe knows that I love camo, especially the print, camo green. I love it, man. And as soon as I saw this pair, I honestly thought it was the best one out of the collection, of the Bape collection, of the Supreme drop, because the other one kind of looked just like the, what's that called? I can't even think right now. Black metallic 5s. Like, the black pair looked just like that. And this one just stuck out the most to me, so I had to pick it up. Unbreakable actually wore these to SneakerCon, and I forgot I had them. Believe it or not, I forgot I forgot I had the most hype sneaker in my collection for a second until he wore them at SneakerCon. I'm like, dang, I got those. I know I ain't tripping. I know I got those. And I came back to the crib and I found them. And it's a lot of sneakers behind me in the sneaker wall, you can call it, the sneaker wall, but I have even more sneakers that's over there in like actual boxes that's not in containers. So sometimes I kind of forget what I have. Believe it or not, it's getting kind of scarce. What I do want to tell you guys is look forward in the future. All right, I'm gonna speak it now because I just want you guys to know. In the future, just look forward to more cops along the lines of Supreme and Bape. I'm not going to say it's coming like tomorrow, but hopefully, you know, later down the line, you know, come like November, September, those things are actually getting picked up here and there. So do not be surprised if you was to see some of those things hit the channel, because hey, look, they fire. Like, a lot of stuff is fire, I'm not gonna lie. One thing that I didn't like about these 5s is just it was so easy to crease the toe box. Now, I used to wear the sneaker shields a lot until it kind of got uncomfortable for my foot, so I stopped wearing the sneaker shields, and immediately after I stopped wearing the sneaker shields, bro, they crease, bro. Like, they crease so easily, and it hurts, man, just because of the simple fact. This is not like your regular material you get on a Jordan 5. It's kind of like some type of, I don't know, like some type of denim overlay around the whole entire shoe. So, you know, anytime you get something different or a different material, especially on the toe box, it's super, super easy to crease. So that's never really a great thing. But yes, man, that is pretty much it, man, for today's video, bro. This is the most hype sneaker I have in my collection. No, not the most expensive, but we all know Supreme is hype, man, and this is the only thing Supreme I have, period. Clothes, shoes, hats, shirts, whatever. So in my opinion, this is the most hype sneaker I have in my collection. Last but not least, guys, make sure you head over to soulpremise.com, get you your Soul Premise bag. Tell me your boy Sniper Jones sent you. Use the promo code Snipe Squad and get 30% off your purchase, and I will link that down below in the comment section for you guys to go ahead and pick up. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. We still grinding, trying to hit 100,000 subs by the end of the year. We got a long way to go, but it's possible, man. You already know we rocking. Follow me on the gram. I will link that down below as well, and it's running through your screen so you can get, you know, just a better look at what it looked like. You feel me? That's just about it, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. You know I can't leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.